Protocam is located in Allentown, PA. They are a top service provider in 3D printing.
We manufacture for all variety of industries, medical, aerospace, defense, automotive, consumer goods, or even for Catasauqua Middle School and What's So Cool for Manufacturing.
Once the product is received by the engineers, it is sent to the 3D printer for the start of the printing process. Once the product is sent, the printer overlaps the object multiple times to create layers.
So manufacturing in the United States is critical to our survival and success.
I just want to make sure that students are encouraged to pursue careers in manufacturing. Manufacturing is changing today. More and more of technology that gets involved with what we do, the funner it becomes. So there's a lot of robotics, automation, and you can see manufacturing, the landscape of manufacturing is changing.